3, 2, 1.
Teeth in the back of the mouth are used for what? The answer is D, grinding food. A ball rolls across the floor and slows down to a stop. Which force caused the ball to slow down? The answer is A, friction. Which material best conducts electricity? The answer is B, copper pite. Trimethylamine is one of the substances responsible for the what of spoiled fish. The answer is B, smell. Which statement on a toothpaste package best supports the claim of fighting cavities? The answer is D, certified by the American Dental Association. Zoroastrianism is a religion which originated with which ancient civilization? The answer is B, Persians. What plastid makes and stores other pigments? The answer is B, chromoplasts. What animal is known as a hippopotamonstrous squipedaliophobic's worst nightmare? The answer is B, hippo. A pedigree is a chart which shows the inheritance of a trait over several what? The answer is B, generations. In the 1974 movie Earthquake, they lower people down from an office building by a chair attached to what material? The answer is A, a fire hose. Which car model holds the record for being the fastest? The answer is C, Koenigsegg Adra R. Who became leader of Cuba after a coup d'état in 1940? The answer is C, Fulgencio Batista. Which of the following is produced when two or more elements combine in a chemical reaction? The answer is B, compound. What tool is used for sawing wood? The answer is D, saw. Who directed the first Star Wars movie? The answer is A, George Lucas. What do you call a compound that contains both an amino group and a carboxyl group in the same molecule? The answer is A, amino acid. Which compound is used in baking powder? The answer is A, sodium bicarbonate. What cop lives with a cockatoo named Fred at the King Edward Hotel in apartment 2C? The answer is D, Beretta. What term is defined as the preserved remains or traces of organisms that lived during earlier ages? The answer is C, fossils. What is the name of the android portrayed by Robin Williams in the 1999 movie Bicentennial Man? The answer is D. Andrew. In ancient times, which stone was believed to protect from drunkenness? The answer is D. Amethyst. Which president served the shortest term? The answer is D. McKinley. Which root vegetable looks similar to ginger but has white flesh? The answer is A. Parsnip. Which capital is located on a peninsula between the Baltic Sea and Gulf of Finland? The answer is B. Helsinki. Which two processes occur during the lifespans of all animals? The answer is B. Growth and development. I have no body, but I can see, hear, and speak. Who am I? The answer is D. Mirror. In the film The Goonies, when Annie goes into one of the dark caves, who does she kiss? The answer is C. Mikey. A can opener is used for what purpose in the kitchen? The answer is B. Opening cans. Which river is known as the Nile of India? The answer is B. Indus. On which ridge does Iceland sit? The answer is B. Mid-Atlantic Ridge. Condensation is a stage in what cycle process? The answer is A. H2O. What is a FET in electronics? The answer is A. Field effect transistor. What harmful phenomenon can cause atmospheric warming? The answer is A. Gases with pollution. Which planet has a ring system made of ice and rock? The answer is C. Saturn. Which item helps students to store loose items in their desks? The answer is C. Pencil case. What is used for scoring in soccer? The answer is A. Goalposts. 3 dogs and 2 puppies weigh 128 pounds. 4 dogs and 3 puppies weigh 176 pounds. All dogs weigh the same and all puppies weigh the same. What is the weight of 2 dogs
is C,
and 1 puppy?
80
pounds. Which country hosted the 2018 FIFA World Cup? The answer is A. Germany. Which social media platform uses the like feature? The answer is A. Facebook. What is the atomic number for silicon? The answer is A. 13. What is the name for creatures such as bears and humans that eat both consumers and producers? The answer is D. Omnivores. Mitochondria are cell organelles that play a large role in energy processes within the body. Which cells are most likely to have a greater amount of mitochondria? The answer is D. Muscle. In the case of the thyroid hormone pathway, thyroid hormone itself carries out what kind of feedback? The answer is B. Negative. Who has the most Guinness World Records titles? The answer is D. Rajni Kothari. Which famous explorer discovered the New World? The answer is B. Leif Erikson. Which item is commonly worn on the head during a wedding ceremony in India? The answer is C. Tiara. Which Bennett's sister loves to exhibit her talent at parties according to the novel Pride and Prejudice? The answer is A. Mary. What is the tall, slender piece used for lighting usually called? The answer is D. Des. Which gas is released when magnesium burns in air? The answer is B. Oxygen. For a science activity, Mia had to draw a picture of the moon each night. If Mia drew a new moon, what type of moon did Mia draw about 1 week later?